Hello, my name is Sameer Pathania, and in this short demo, I'll show a small Python app that accepts a customer call transcript and uses Groq API to produce a 2-3 sentence summary and extract sentiment, prints the results, and saves them to call analysis.csv. I will run this from a Colab notebook. Now let's get started. So this is the Colab notebook and the work that I have done. So as you can see, these are the libraries that I have highlighted, that I have used in this assignment. And this is the dependency that I have downloaded. Now this is the Groq integration. The Groq LLM I used the API key to set up the Groq integration. Also, I built a fast API endpoint analyze inside the notebook. You can post a transcript a function called Groq. The function returns summary and sentiment, as you can see, and prints them and appends them to a CSV file with a timestamp. Now I will take you to the code walkthrough and highlight the main parts. So as I go down, I'll show you this is the main coding that I have done. As you can see, I'll go down and show you. And this is the transcript that I used. Customers, as you can see, I have highlighted it. And the Grok has the API Grok API has seen it and it has taken the summary as you can see from here, and it has given the sentiment that is negative because the payment has failed. The person might have feel frustrated as you can see. So I'm going down and showing the codes that I have used. So this is the fast API that I used here, and that's it. This is the code, what a coding that I have done. Now, as you can see, this get pass is used for key handling, and this loads libraries and reads the Groq API. This get pass, this reads the Groq API key, and if a key isn't provided, the code uses a built-in heuristic fallback, so that demo still works. So uh, this is what the get pass library does. Now I'll go to the this is analyze.script text. Analyze.script text. Wait, I'm just going down. Yes, this is the analyze.py file. It saves to the current directory. This funker calls grok or fallback and process the summary and sentiment and writes to CSV. You can see it from here. It has been saved here, CSV file. Now let's go down. This is as I've shown. These are the uh, mm, fast API that I used, and there are other library as well, as you can see from here. This is the Nest Sync CO library. This is the workaround and used for Collabity used in Collab. It is basically used in Collab. We run Unicorn inside a background thread as the notebook stays usable. Now I will show you how this demo works. So I'll run all the cells and show you. So as you can see, first we will you run this Groq API. I'll just take the key from here. run it, and press enter. So it has taken the Groq API set for the collab session. It has been used integrated. Now I will run this cell. As you can see, it has successfully run. And now this is the small transcript. This is the main thing I will use here. And yes, so as you can see, the calling, it has run successfully. The customer has attempted to, and it has created a CSV timestamp and summary, everything transcript. Now I'll run this. This is the simple notebook UI using IPI user interface using IP widgets. So as you can see, the transcript is this. As you can see from here, I've highlighted it, and I will analyze it. So it has given this proper output, raw model output. As you can see from here, this they return the JSON file, JSON, and this is the summary. As you can see, the customer attempted to book a slot, but the payment failed, resulting in double charge and no booking confirmation. The agent will involve the payments team and process the refund. So as you can see, this is the original transcript, and this is it has saved in the rows, last 5 rows. So now this is a so this API returned a small summary, as you can see from here. This is the small summary API. This return the small summary from here. Now I'll show you how this CSV file is saved. So yes, you can see this. This is the code. It will save the CSV file. See, this is the CSV file, and it has come here. See, CSV file, and this is it has been saved here successfully. And this CSV file gives this concise summary, the sentiment, and the timestamp. As you can see from here, this code gives the successful timestamp, and this proves that saving the steps work. As you can see, it has saved the everything, so this is working pretty well. So that's it, that what I work I have done, and this wraps up my small demo. So I've learned that it accepts as you can see, it then accepts transcript, summarizes it, detects any sentiment, as I have shown you negative impact in this case, and it saves the CSV notes as well. As I have shown you here, it has saved this it saved the call analysis.csv, as you can see. And if we have a Groq API, set it at the prompt to use this model. Otherwise, the fallback logic gives a reasonable demo. I have uploaded the .py file script and notebook to my GitHub link, as you can see. And thank you very much for this opportunity.